So it's the start of a new week. We've got Mitch. He's coming from 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗓 Garage Equipment. He's going to sort out the ramp. He's going to swap all the pulleys, swap the cables out. Also, while he's replacing a couple of bits in the brake tester, and he's going to get it linked up to the computer so it'll go connected straight to DVSA. It's a bit of a kink there, obviously, but yeah. Oh, the new cable going in. That's all the old pulleys, and then they saw the new ones. How will you grease them? Is that something you'll do, or something we have to do?
Yeah, I'll do it, and then obviously when do the calibration.
Yeah, do it on all 6 months.
Yeah.
Do you like the pickup? Yeah. Extension lead. Oh yeah, like a travel adapter almost. Yeah, I'll go and get one.
You sure?
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, nice one.
Get it up and running then, can't we?
Yeah.
So Mitch has just gone. Let me come and show you what he's done. So the battery's dead. If you look under here, you've got new pulleys, and then if you follow it back, you can see the cables as well. So here's all the new cables, new pulleys. They've got actually grease points on, which our old ones didn't have either. So that's something we can keep on top of. Also, he's replaced on the brake tester. You've got 2 gas struts. There's one of them. Well, there they are there. And what they do is, as you're driving on and off, there's springs in our other brake tester, but this one's got struts instead. And it was just bouncing and it wasn't doing anything, and it's affecting the scales and the weights of the vehicles. So now with the struts on, you press them down and it slowly comes back. The third thing he's done, which is obviously one of the most important ones, is the bolts. Some of the bolts weren't properly fixed, so he's had to re-drill it, put resin in and put bigger bolts in, and he's gone round all the nuts on the ramp and they're all torqued up now, so it's properly bolted down. So that's something that's important, something they'll check when they come out and do the insurance checks as well. And then lastly, he's put a whole new brake computer inside. You can't see it because it's got a cover on, but the computer's tiny. It's only about that big, but it's got everything linked onto it, the manual, the certificates, and it goes straight to that TV now. We've got a big telly up on the wall. That was one of the ones we picked up. It's a 40-inch, but it looks really small, I think, but it's a lot clearer to look at that now when you're sat in the car. You're looking at that telly rather than this thing. So at some point next, we're going to rip all this out, make a bit more space in the workshop. Yeah, let me just show you the old cables. So we did lie them out, and you can see in some of the videos the length difference and where they've kinked up. So that's the old cables. And then down here, you've got the old pulleys and the pins. So a lot of them, when you put them in the pulley, there's an excessive movement. You can just swap that in a sort of bush or bearing, but we've just swapped the whole thing because obviously there is wear, and I'd rather just, while we've got it apart, just replace everything. So the whole ramp now is all brand new pulleys, all new pins, all new cables, bolted down properly. So that's our first good ramp ready to go. So we're up at 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗓 picking up the skirting board. We've gone for plastic skirting, but we're having to chop it up to get it in the van. Jamie's just left, all the flooring's all fully fitted. I've just been out to 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪𝗓, picked up this skirting board, so we've got plastic skirting, so we don't need to paint it. We've got a windowsill, that just come out the skip, that did. So tomorrow Charlie's come in and he's going to get all that fitted for us. Charlie's got the windowsill fitted, skirting board is all fitted, and the architrave. and he's also started on this top offices, so he's patching in, plasterboarding any bare brick really, and we're not going for a totally perfect finish up here. We just need to get it up and running now. He's just got left the window, around the window finishing to do. We've just been up to Screwfix because they do these panels that light up, so we're going to do those for the meantime, just so we've got some lighting in here. Got the new chairs here. We got these ones from B&Q for 80 quid for 4. They're meant to be comfy ones, so, but for that sort of money, you can't really grumble. We was looking at that much on second hand on Facebook, on Marketplace, so we'll give them a whirl. 1 down, 3 more to go. Just trying to work out the setup in here. Come and check out the new office. So this is it. We've got our new chairs. I built them up the other day. They're from B&Q, 80 quid for 4. So I'm really pleased with them. And then this is our desk. We got this second hand from 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗟𝗪 from a nail bar. We'll tag them in so they can see we're looking after it. And it's got the new lights on it. We will get our branding put onto it, like welcome to Marlbrook. But he's coming actually on Thursday to do quite a bit of work for us. He's going to put some stickers, some decals on the windows, just to try and direct people into the reception area, make it clear that that's the entrance, because before, people coming in through the workshop. Also, what he's going to do, outside, you can see there used to be a sign here. I think it's just the bottom of the MOT sign, but we're going to have a new sign here just saying welcome, reception, opening hours. Probably these are going to be like etched off, like that etched glass we've all had logos on. And then this will just say reception, and get some no entry signs on the workshop as well. So at the moment, there's nothing to stop people coming in here. There's a physical barrier there, but there's no warning signs, so we need to get them up ASAP. We're going to probably do that this morning. Yeah, so Charlie was in yesterday while the ramp was being done. He's actually started patching up. If you look up the stairs, all of this plasterboard's been patched up. He's adhesived a lot of it to the wall, so we've just put these on as a bit of a wedge, but it's all dried now, so I'll just kick them off so we can get upstairs. There you go. Get up now. Yeah, upstairs he's done quite a lot of work, so he's boarded the ceiling, he's boarded the walls, so it's looking really good in here. James, our plasterer, he's coming in on Wednesday, and he's going to skim the ceiling, skim that wall. This wall, I think we're just going to get the wallpaper off, and then this wall, we're going to probably just leave it alone. So if you touch it, it's just like it's a really flimsy, like plywood wall. So we're just opening a can of worms if we get into that. And then in this front office, much the same. He's got it all ready to be plastered, so boarded it all out. So we'll get another update video with the skimming tomorrow, hopefully. We've got Tom at King Signs in. He's here and he's currently cleaning all the windows up. We're going to have new etched logos on all these windows and on the front door, and we're getting a new sign fitted there. If he gets a chance, he's going to do some keep out signs for us and a bit of branding on the ramp as well, so stay tuned for the results. Oh yeah, that's quality, that is.
So those are your windows out the front.
Yeah.
This will be your office door to the car entry. It's got a stripe across so you can see through. The no entry light is cut through at the bottom, so the top is still obscured, so you can see the computer screen. That's the main reception entrance.
Yeah, as you're walking in.
I was thinking frost the bottom completely, leave the top clear, just put the Marlbrook running frost.
Yeah, the only thing I might do, yes, it doesn't stand out, but I was tempted to do frost and clear, but I've done it more of a job because people drop the keys through there and they could see that the keys are there.
Right, okay, yeah.
But
that makes sense.
that's spot on.
Yeah, okay, that's easy. One bird you that
James is here, plastering again. You winning?
Yeah. Who recognised me then?
You famous?
Who recognised me from the internet? From the Twitter web? What's to do at home?
Drying out already in here. Yeah.
In a tip, bro.